What's up everybody? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex Lowry and today I will show you an amazing and easy trick for color correcting your footage. That's right, it's a very easy to follow without any knowledge or any LUTs needed. So we will dive now in Final Cut Pro and show you how it's done. Also, don't forget to subscribe as this will help me to bring you more helpful content such as this. So, let's do it. So, welcome to Final Cut Pro, where I will show you how you can color correct your footage in the easiest way possible without any tricks or anything special. It's the easiest way, trust me. So we have here some sample footage from my Fuji X-T3 camera and A7S III camera, and we will go through some clips and show you the way. So, in order to get started, I will use Color Finale Pro plugin, but I will also use the built-in color effects to show you how you can do it that way as well. So I will throw the plugin to my scene, and the trick here, guys, is just to remove the saturation. You see now we have a black and white footage, and as in photographs, in black and white pictures you only need to worry about the contrast and exposure. If you nail these two aspects of it, then your footage will be color corrected. Just see. So here I will lower the exposure a bit, -20, and I will increase the contrast until I'm satisfied. Nice, you see the clouds that are popping out? Very nice. But here our darks are a bit too dark, so I will increase the pivot as well. No, I will decrease it. Around here is good. And now I will just add the saturation gradually until I'm satisfied. Look at it. It's like magic. You see how easy it was? Without thinking about the colors or the highlights or the darks or the midtones or anything. Just contrast and exposure. Look at the before. Just a flat picture, and after. A picture full of emotion, contrast and color. This is amazing trick. Now for the second shot, this is myself, and I have opened the RGB overlay as well in order to see if we clip anything. Now I will use the same trick with the black and white, but I will use the internal tools. So I will use the color board that is built in Final Cut Pro. I will go to saturation, remove the saturation, and go to exposure. Here we don't have a slider of contrast, but we add contrast by adding or removing the highlights and the shadows, and between the two of them contrast is created. So by looking at my scopes, I will lower the shadows until they go to the zero line, and then I will use the mids to add a bit contrast like that, and with my highlights I will leave it just there. I think it looks great. Now we'll go and add again the saturation slowly until we're satisfied with the result. You see, we don't even need to go to the initial saturation. We add just a little bit of saturation. That's it. The clip looks ready. Before and after. It's very interesting, guys. It's very easy. You just work with a black and white scene. Now for our third scene, I will try something different again with Color Finale Pro, which is an amazing plugin for color grading in Final Cut Pro. I will throw it to my footage, and this time I will not do it with a black and white scene, but again I will show you an easy way to color correct your footage. So I will go to the edit layers and at our color wheels. Here we have some pickers that we can use to automatically adjust the highlights, the shadows and the midtones. Thus, I will use the picker and I will take a sample from the brightest pixel from the scene. I will click here and the plugin adjusts the highlights and color on its own. Again, for the shadows, I will pick a shadowy place here. I will pick this part of the rock. Look at it. Without doing anything, guys, with just 2 clicks, the scene is color corrected. It's amazing. We will let it play the bit to see if there is any mistakes that we can adjust. Our highlights here, we can add little bit color. I will lower the midtones, a bit the highlights. You see the color is popping up now. We see here that the shadows are under 0. I will correct it a bit and that's it. It's amazing. Before, all flat, after. It's easy as that and automatic. For the initial correction, it's very easy to do it. And later on, you can add all sorts of adjustments you like, any creative LUTs or anything else. So guys, what do you think? Did you believe that it was so easy to color correct your footage? From the moment I learned this trick, I'm using it daily. I hope you stay safe and let's discuss below at the comments of what you think or what is your favorite trick for color grading your videos. So, thank you for joining in, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.